But yeah, Silk Boss dropped a tune the other day and it was very controversial. Yeah, the one named Brown Man. Apparently, social media, me see social media and people are go crazy. Say, oh, Silk Boss, me song for man, talk about Brown Man, badness, one thief man, they kill me. I don't really know the story what gone between Brown Man and who and whatever. But me know say, Silk Boss dropped a song named Brown Man. It was very controversial. The song finally released, so we'll check it out and see what the fuss was about. I probably should go check the backstory of what's going on, but apparently some you probably killed somebody family member or some shit. Not sure about the story. We here for the music. I'll see how the song go. But I'm gonna check out the story. If it is messed up, then I'll come back and you know what I'm saying. But anyway, Silk Boss drop Brown Man. We'll check it out and see what dog I deal with. This is very controversial. I'm interested to hear what dog I have to say in the song. Yeah. The song better bad, you know. Cause in the beat up bad in the Silk Boss. The song better bad. Cause about that beat where me I get feed. Anyway, Brown Man, let's get it.
Nobody tell me say them a killer if them can't make it back home.
You say nobody tell him say my killer if they can't make it back home. And that's it.
Nobody tell me say them a killer if them can't make it back home. See them man a brandish gun and kill nobody cause a clown that.
You don't see your brandish gun and kill nobody. So what you do with the gun in your video? What are you doing with this gun in your video, Silk Boss? Are you telling me you're a murderer? You're telling me you're a killer, sir. Is that what you're saying? You're no longer an artist. You are a killer. Maybe we should call the authorities if that's what you're saying. You know, I don't think you can continue this career for artists if you're trying to say that you kill people. You know, and you're a brandish gun. So you might want to take back the statement. Nah, trust you. Go on, Joe.
Oh, bro, they know nobody that go there. Cool is cool, they know juggle it though. Yeah, if I pussy this, me man go dead. Head chip, mother murder somebody for your egg. Watch out, me and Lone Gens, 30 of them. And a 𝐑𝐄𝐀 take off of the roof till he bend. Everybody
hold on. Hold the fucking phone, Silk Boss. You might be onto something, my friend. See, boss, me nah come here, you know. Come ball and sit there. No time about this to the pun. You say, I bring a gun, just say, I ain't gonna get that. Go on, do that, I say, go on.
See, no man a brandish gun and kill nobody cause a clown that.
Bad man, Silk Boss, how go on?
Cool is cool, they know juggle it though. Yeah, if I pussy this, me man go dead. Head chip, mother murder somebody for your egg. Watch out, me and Lone Gens, 30 of them. And a 𝐑𝐿 take off of the roof till he bend.
The man say me alone and a 30 of them. And a 𝐑𝐿 take on the roof till he bend. Go on, chew that. Go on, chew.
For your egg, watch out, me and Lone Gens, 30 of them. And a 𝐑𝐿 take off of the roof till he bend. Oh God, everybody a go dead. Oh God, the 16 bossy met. 7.62 make squaddy jump fence. So G say you bad and now I cover you a tech.
I say yo 7.62 make squaddy jump fence you. Bum please.
So make squaddy jump fence. So G say you bad and now I cover you a tech. I shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the AI total. I with squaddy get total. Me no buy gun figure it in a holster.
Easy no man, no I'm here dog. The carry gun figure in a holster, brother. I'm here.
Squaddy get total.
Yes.
Me no buy gun figure it in a holster. We no shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the AI total. Come. Somebody get total. Them try knock down in door, but the door head.
Please. Alright, Silk Boss. You might be on to something new.
Sub up a peep, smaddy marble a leak. Squaddy run gun hide. Knife back 𝐑𝐿. Shot a left him it saggy like mac and cheese. Chest up me like a new tin a Japan bean.
Let me say like a mac and cheese, brother. I'm like a Japan bean boy.
Squaddy run gun hide. Knife back 𝐑𝐿. Shot a left him it saggy like mac and cheese. Chest up me like a new tin a Japan bean. Send face what and team, my dog madam mean. When I do track and feed, the neck chop off clean. Make the 16 kick up like Holland feet. 5-5.
Man say yo, me no bombard do track, me no. Me no did have a chop off clean you. What you?
One beat, send face what and team, my dog madam mean. When I do track and feed, the neck chop off clean. Make the 16 kick up like Holland feet. 5-5-6 longer than dragon teeth. I shoot out like brown man. 6 body feed the AI total. somebody get total. Them go find him body up a Portland. I shoot out like bro.
Yo, Giovanni, me just react to rifle a while ago. Just a while ago react to Prince One rifle, me G. Go on,
Man, 6 duppy feed the high total. Believe. How it squad get total. Them go find
drop your
him
request
body
too.
up a Portland. Them boy, then I'm bad. You a clap for that. Shot talking, I'm mad and track here. 4 hour, what a shot, me and mafia. Shot bite out neck like Jack.
Man say 4 hour worth of shot, you know. 4 hour worth of shot, you know. He man not say 4 box, you know. Or 4 pack, you know. The man say 4 hour worth. You know how much bullet that you have beat for 4 hours straight, non-stop, you. Hey.
I'm bad, you a clap for that. Shot talking, I'm mad and track here. 4 hour, what a shot, me and mafia. Shot bite out neck like Jackula. 500 rounds, that me got in here. Red, green, gold rifle from Africa.
Yes.
16, make a sound like animal.
Yes.
One man, trigger player like Decimal.
Oh, hey, ease yourself. Ease yourself. Yes, real boss. Yes. You're my real boss. Still boss. Yes, still boss. This bad, this fun, this catchy, this edgy. Go on, chum, like.
Them go find him body up a Portland. Them boy, then I'm bad. You a clap for that. Shot talking, I'm mad and track here. 4 hour, what a shot.
Your boy, they're not bad. You are clap for that. More gunshots talking, I'm mad and tracky. Yeah, mouth and trachea. You know what your trachea is? You see me? But you have to say trachea for Ryan with Claffy. You're Claffy that. And then I'm going to sit you with the mafia. Go and choose your boss.
I'm bad, you a clap for that. Shot talking, I'm mad and trachea. 4 hour, what a shot, me and mafia. Shot by
4 hour worth of shot. 4 that the body though. 4 hour worth of shot. Man come plan come here, come shell down for 4 hours straight. Big gunshot for 4 hours straight. That's you man not say 4 box or 4 pack. You know what blood clot bullet that youth here be for 4 hours down the stop youth. Whether one papa rifle enough gunshot that youth. Want you?
Shot talking, I'm mad and tracky. 4 hour, what a shot, me and mafia. Shot bite out neck like Jackula. 500 rounds, that me got in here. Red, green, gold rifle from Africa. 16, make a sound like animal. One man, trigger player like Decimal. I shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the AI total. Cool. I with smaddy get total. Them go find him body up a Portland. I shoot out like grown man. 6 body feed the AI total. Cool. I with squaddy get total. Them go find him body up a Portland.
Yes, man. Yes.
Good, it's good. I shoot out like gold man. 6 body feed the total. Somebody get total. Them go find him body up a Portland. I shoot out like gold man. 6 duppy feed the
total. Somebody get total. Hey, drop on the request, I don't know. That is it, gang. That is it. Yeah, man. Still boss, brown man. One thing more down there. I'm rocking with that. So that's why that gets so much beating for on social media. Cause man say shoot out like a brown man to blood clean get bash and jagger all type of sitting. But shout out to Sebas. Sebas is definitely talented. One of the most talented artists we got in dance. That's for sure. As I say, he's one of the most talented. I'm not gonna lie to you. That doesn't mean to be more consistent, more creative, and just continue. Yes, that's it. Yes, yeah. Cause when Silk Boss make tune, people do listen and tune in and tap in. So Silk Boss, I don't know what time it is, gang. As I say, yeah, keep doing your thing, bro. Gang, let me know anything about that in the comment section. Drop your comments and chop it up right now. Let's get it.